Hualien Station is your gateway to exploring the amazing sights that Hualien has to offer. The new station was opened at the end of 2018. Its name, inscribed by calligraphy master Dongyang Tsu, welcomes visitors to enjoy the stunning architecture inside. The lobby and waiting areas of the station incorporate the images of mountains and trees in its design, a reference to two of the most famous natural elements in Hualien. The new station can accommodate up to 50,000 passengers every day. On the free passage connecting the front and rear stations, visitors can watch trains arriving and departing, as well as air traffic from nearby Hualien Airport. The station's shopping street offers famous products from the area, such as Hualien potatoes, mochi, swordfish, and Aboriginal-style pork. You can buy a limited edition lunchbox here too. Every summer, visitors can take part in whale watching in Hualien Port, or you can go visit the giant inflatable red-faced ducks in Liyutan. It makes for a fun time and some great pictures. When you come to Hualien, make sure you spend some time exploring Hualien Station.